Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. Today we are talking drones. Stick around. Hey everybody, let's get into it because it's going to be a quick one today. I'm going to give you my personal opinion on whether or not a drone is worth your time. Yes. Short answer. Bam. I guess you can leave the video now. You don't need my opinion. Yes, all day long. Yes, 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 yes. As always, I'm going to let you do your own research. I will not sit here and read specs from a sheet. Specs don't mean jack. It all depends on what you want to do with your drone. Me, myself, I started off with photography. It worked just fine. Top-down shots, all that edgy drone footage that you want. It works great. It definitely gives you a little bit of an edge over the competition. There are things that you want to look out for. You definitely want to study laws in your area. I know in Ohio, drone laws are extremely strict. Here in Michigan, they're a little bit more lax, but it all depends on you. When you do stupid things, they make more drone laws. Drones are fantastic. They up your game. They give you a little bit of edge on the competition. Most people don't have them. Most people don't know how to fly them, which it's super easy, and that's what we're going to get to right now. If you've ever played a video game or any kind of arcade game, you can fly a drone. They're simple. They're easy. You would want to learn in a safe space, which is cool. That's completely fine, and you can do it in your backyard. And then when you go up, hey, guess what? There's nothing in the sky you got to worry about. Except planes. But nowadays, the drones that you buy actually come with a built-in GPS monitor that tells you if there are any manned aircraft in the area, which is super helpful if you're up way too high, where you shouldn't be. Exactly. You know darn well there are laws. You got to pay attention to them. You can't go up over 400 feet. That is the ceiling. What you're doing is restricting drones even more when you do break rules. I know this is off topic, but I am going to wag my finger at you people. Everybody loves those drone shots because it gives a different perspective. That's why I bought one myself, because I wanted a different perspective on my shot. I don't necessarily hate ground shots. It just started to get stagnant and boring for me. And if you really find yourself in that situation where you feel, kind of like your photography has kind of hit a brick wall, maybe you can't find any inspiration or any creative ability, drones can be really easy and they can kind of knock you out of that funk. Be mindful though, when you do get one, they can kind of make you a little bit lazy because everybody likes them. Everybody likes drone shots. Like, they're cool. They're something different. Everybody has seen this picture, but not everybody has seen this picture from 100 feet in the sky straight down, So they can make you very lazy and it can ruin your composition. Now, as far as composition goes with drones, it's kind of give or take. It's still the same as ground and pound composition, but it's a little bit easier. Let's face it, people, straight down, abstract. As far as what drone you should purchase, that's up to you. I went with the Mavic Air 2, but that is because I didn't have a drone when the Mavic Air 2 was released. Now, the Mavic Air 2S is out. It's roughly the same price as what I paid for my Mavic Air 2, but it has a bigger sensor on it. And I know sensors in that whole conversation can be a touchy subject, but it's not all about the size of the sensor. And to give you an example of what the Air 2 is capable of, I will drop a little B-roll in. welcome back. That was Presque Isle on the east coast of Michigan. Yeah, so, I mean, in conclusion, it's really up to you and where you are in your photography. That's basically it. There is no secret answer. It's all up to you. You know, I mean, the number one thing I can say is don't compare yourself to any other photography. Learn your trade. Learn your trade. If you really, really, really love photography, learn your trade. I can help you with tips and tricks. I can answer any questions for you down in the comments, but I can't make you learn. You have to do it yourself. So if you feel that you've hit a wall and you feel a little stagnant, maybe look into a drone instead of a new lens. Or maybe look into a new lens. I don't know. I always like lenses. Anyway, I hope you have a nice day. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Go over to my Instagram. Shoot me a follow over there. Ask me a question in my DMs. I'm always there to answer. Anybody will tell you. All right, take it easy. Have a good Sunday.